about the project that me and my team have worked on. So let's start by looking at the modern sales scenario. According to data, a sales professional spends only about 28% of his work week actually selling. The top talent that you ideally builds relationships and closes deals is burdened by manual data entries. And as a result, around 10 to 20 hours of the weekly time is lost in these administrative tasks. Data also shows that 80% of the successful sales that go by require at least 5 follow-ups. But surprisingly, sales representatives almost never follow up after their first initial meeting. Execute AI. To understand this dashboard better, let's say you have a meeting with a client. What you have to do is add a bot to the meeting. You can also select the number of minutes that you want the bot to stay in the meeting. Once that is done, we have some previously recorded meetings and we can see that we get the meeting summary of the entire meet. Not only does the bot give us the entire transcript of the conversation, but it also gives us a summary, the key points to look out for, and a sentiment percentage of the overall conversation that takes place. Now, based on the meeting, the bot gives us a set of tasks that were discussed during the meeting. This allows humans to not forget and keep a check. We have options here where we can see pending review, and based on the completion of the task, they can be changed. Now, let's say that this particular task is completed. We have the option to draft an email. AI helps us draft an email, which of course we can edit based to our convenience. And once we like, as per our fit, we can send it to the clients. That is done. We have a set of tasks in our calendars. As you can see, for January 26th, we had a couple of clients, which, as we can see, we had commitments to the clients, which is now completed in the tasks, which I did here. Now, based on the task performances that we have done, we get performance analytics, which tells us about our response velocity, the way that we have been completing meetings. We also have our AI with different websites and apps. As you can see in our emails, we have integrated it with Gmail. Some of the mails that we got today, one of them being about Databricks, the other from one of our own teammates, which was to give access to the API key by March 1st. And when the mail was sent, it was February 28th, and only one day was left. We also have the option where we have the chat options with clients that is being monitored by the bot. We can also see that we have an assistant that can help us summarize the pending tasks, commitments, and other things. As we can see here, we not only have the tasks at hand, but also that we're waiting from others. Here we also have a sales agent, which and we've connected two APIs, Featherless and Gemini. As you can recall, we had an email from Abhishek Patel which asked us for the API key, and that's why here the AI agent is asking us for immediate overdue follow-ups because today is March 1st and it is due today. Now have a better understanding of the dashboard, which tells us about the high priorities action, always ensuring that the user knows and does not miss out on anything. It also lets the user know about the upcoming deadlines, the user insights for today if they are missing out on any information after a meeting, and also always reminds them of their current ongoing commitments.